Saving $500 every month might sound impossible, especially if you think it means sacrificing the things you love. But with a few simple tweaks to your daily routine, you can keep enjoying your life while watching your savings grow. Here are 7 easy hacks to help you reach that $500 goal without feeling deprived. First, start by automating your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account right after you get paid. By treating saving like a fixed expense, you'll be less tempted to spend what's already out of sight. Second, audit your subscriptions. Streaming services, app memberships, and gym fees often go unnoticed. Review your monthly statements and cancel any you're not using regularly. Even cutting just 2 or 3 can free up $50 to $100 each month. Third, take advantage of cashback rewards and loyalty programs. Use credit cards that offer cashback on everyday purchases and sign up for store rewards programs. Over time, these perks add up, sometimes hundreds of dollars a year, without changing your shopping habits. Fourth, embrace meal prepping. Planning and preparing meals at home a few times per week can dramatically reduce your spending on takeout and restaurants. You don't have to give up dining out entirely, just swap a few meals each week. Fifth, negotiate your bills. Call your internet, phone, and insurance providers to see if you qualify for a better rate or a special promotion. Many companies will offer discounts if you simply ask. Sixth, use price tracking apps and browser extensions. These tools automatically find coupons and cashback offers when you shop online, ensuring you never pay full price. Finally, review your transportation costs. Carpooling, using public transit, or even switching to a bike for short trips can save hundreds on gas and parking with minimal effort. With these hacks, saving $500 a month is not just possible, it's easy, and you won't feel like you're missing out on anything. Start today and watch your savings grow effortlessly